This is Alan Bush with ADMIS, seeing some gains in stock index futures. This after the People's Bank of China said they are seeing signs of stabilization in China's economy. We did have the consumer confidence report coming in stronger than expected, so that helping a little bit. But we continue to feel that the announcement recently from the Fed concerning their additional easing of credit is fully priced into this market. Any surprises are likely to be to the downside. Don't forget, we do have earnings season coming up in the first week in October. There's some talk that some of these numbers may disappoint. So right now we feel that the risks are likely to be to the downside in stock index futures. Over in the currencies, seeing some short covering gains in the euro currency. This after some very negative economic news yesterday with some sharp declines in the euro currency. So some short covering gains early, but I think that they will not follow through. In fact, I think we can see the euro trading lower from the current higher levels as more and more problems surface and resurface in the Eurozone. Also, there's some talk that Moody's could possibly downgrade the sovereign debt of Spain this week. We continue to believe that the Canadian dollar will gain on the Australian dollar. Right now, financial futures markets are predicting that there is about a 66% chance that the Reserve Bank of Australia will lower interest rates by 25 basis points at their meeting in October, while there is still talk that the Bank of Canada, possibly in the third quarter of next year, could actually raise interest rates. Now, we totally disagree with the idea that the Bank of Canada will raise rates, but we do feel that they will keep rates steady for a relatively long time. Either way, the Canadian dollar is enjoying an interest rate differential advantage over the Australian dollar. So look for the Canadian to continue to gain on the Australian dollar. Credit markets higher today. Seems to be a growing feeling that the global economy is slowing, and I think that will be the dominant influence that will take the credit markets higher. Still thinking that there's a very good chance that we will see the credit futures market advancing from current levels and possibly even testing contract highs. Once again, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.